Hi everybody. So I thought that I would do my final Halloween look. Pull my hair back. I am Teresa. Today I'm just going to be doing a Scarecrow look. So I do have some Halloween makeup, but most of this will be Seint. Some of it will be this pretty all set palette. So this is on Amazon and it's linked somewhere, but so there's some orange colors in here. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I do have my makeup on, my lashes on, and then this sweater on that I specifically bought for this. But I think that I'm gonna go ahead and like whiten this look up. So I'm gonna use the linen highlight color from Seint. So I'm just gonna be putting this on with the buff brush. This gives it, this will make it white real quick. So I just wanted to lighten it up. That way I'm not losing any of the orange color. So Halloween is definitely my favorite holiday. It's not even really a holiday, but I love it. It's so fun to decorate for, and I don't know, it's just fun. I like Halloween. I guess it's a day where you can just go ahead and pretend to be somebody else. I was deciding if I wanted to pull my hair back, but my kids, they're pretty much all but grown. My oldest, he's in the Marine Corps, living his dream in Hawaii, I guess. You know, rough life for him. So I do have a hat that goes with this. I did buy like some corn that had the husk on it still so that I could put that on, but come on, hair. So this is the first year that I'm really doing Halloween looks, but I'm excited. Gotta be gentle under my eyes because I have tear trough filler right now. That was placed 3 days ago. All right, I will try not to take forever. I am gonna bring it down my neck just because I'm gonna bring some color down my neck. I think doing your neck just helps to really make the look. Again, this is the color Linen from Seint. My normal color is Sandy, so this is quite a ways away from my normal color. All right, so I just went to the thrift store and got this sweater. It had a turtleneck on it, but turtlenecks are awful for me. All right, so I do have chai on my eyelids from earlier today. I'm not gonna take my magnetic lashes off. I think I'm gonna end up having to powder this just because it does have a hat that goes on it back here. But I'm gonna do my eyes first. So I'm gonna go ahead, put linen away. And then I'm coming into my Seint palette, and this is the Salem eyeshadow color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of darken my eyes up with the Seint. I do have one more look, but that is, my boyfriend wanted to dress up too, so I was like, okay. And will I walk around like this all day? You bet it. All right, so I'm gonna try some of this Halloween color. I don't know if it's actually gonna work, but we're gonna try it. This outfit does have a skirt that goes with it, but it's far too cold here in Utah today to wear a skirt, so. All right, I'm gonna draw the outline. This is just one of those like crayon pencils that you buy at the Halloween store. Totally do this with eyeliner if you had to. I'm gonna put an X right here so it's not gonna look so strange. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this in with the orange. Let's see how it looks. I might use eyeshadow on the top of it to fill it in. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna use some of my Seint brushes here. I use the white brushes for my Halloween look. I must be nuts. Yes, I will have to put like an orange shadow on the top of this, but for now. I just posted on my stories. I made it into the top 15 for the Fab Over 40, which, you know, that's a great honor to me. That's quite an accomplishment. But if you have a minute to spare, if you could vote for me, that would be awesome. There's 6 more days to vote in it. It just started the top 15 this morning. And my boyfriend actually had to tell me that. So some of these are Seint colors. My makeup, I just used the Salem eyeshadow to do around my eyes. And I'm gonna deepen this with some orange eyeshadow. So I'm grabbing my Pretty All set, which I got from Amazon. So this has some nice oranges in it. I think I'm going for more of a burnt orange color, so I'm gonna go with this color right here. They don't have names on them though. Wiping my brush off. So I'm just gonna deepen this up. I don't want it this color orange, pumpkin orange. And this will also set it so it doesn't move. Okay, so I think I like how that's looking. I'm gonna finish my eye before I go on into anything else. Didn't even get it straight. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and draw the nose here. All right, I'm gonna go back in with some orange. I liked this darker color versus the lighter one. This just came from like Spirit Halloween. All right, and then back to that orange eyeshadow just to set it and darken it up just a little bit. Oh, it's always so interesting. So I think I'm done with this palette pretty much. Okay, so I'm gonna use like an orange lip liner for my lips, just because it'll last longer than this paint will. And this is in the color Orange County, and it's by NYX. It is their matte lip liner. And as far as the black on my lips, I'm gonna use a eyeliner pencil just so I don't lose all of the color when I decide to eat something. I feel like more of a clown than I do a scarecrow. I think I shall go shopping after this. Just for fun. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna do my waterline while I'm at it. I'm gonna sharpen this really quick. I meant to go to Target when I got my pedicure because I wanted to do my nails, and then I forgot. One tip that I can give you if you're wearing like magnetic lashes or any lashes is don't do your waterline before you put your lashes on, because then you can't see what you're doing. And oil cleanser is going to be your best friend in these moments. I'm going to go back in with this crayon here. I'm going to have to powder this just because it's probably going to move around. I might do just a little bit of shading underneath this just so it's not a line. So I'm gonna go into Salem and now I'm gonna start drawing some lines on it here. So this is not a hard look. Okay, so I think I want to do some shading down my neck. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my bronzer or my contour. I haven't decided. Just trying to pick out like the natural shadow here. All right, so I have a white eyeliner pencil. Well, it's a pen actually. I'm gonna add a little bit more dimension here. So glad I washed my hair today. What was I thinking? I'm gonna find a little bit of brown shadow. Just kind of shade this eye over here. Let's do, I'm gonna do, I think this is bird. Oak, we're gonna do oak. This really has a lot of black on it, so I'm gonna use my cleaning towel here. I think I'm actually gonna shade down the front of my neck too. I'm just trying to find a brush that all right, we'll go with this. Just dip it into that oak eyeshadow. You wanna know what's funny? Is I thought I was ivory skin tone when I was in junior high. So that's the color foundation I was wearing. Which is terrifying. Can you imagine how I looked? I am a medium skin tone. I am not light. I am not pale. And I didn't understand that. So I thought just because I have freckles that that's what I was. So thank God for becoming an artist, because it made you realize that you're not, you know? And that's why color matches are important in my opinion. Get it from somebody else, don't do it yourself. And me being a Seint artist, I can help you with the Seint makeup. All right, what do we think about that? Okay, I have little pieces of, what are these called? These are from corn husk. There we go. I'm so glad I washed my hair. So I'm just gonna put these in with bobby pins. So I have a bobby pin wrapped around it. I'm gonna get this hair out of my way. To be honest, I thought these would be a nice addition. I have the Dirk Bentley song stuck in my head. What was I thinking? So I don't know. All right, I've got one more. Where do we want to put it? Okay, and then the hat, and then we're done. So that was not an awful look at all. I'm so, like, I always think something's gonna take so much longer than it actually does. So I continually talk myself out of it. Oh, it's cute. I love it. What do you guys think? Go down, hat. I want a scarecrow. Stop it. There we go. Well, this was fun. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So really just a few colors. So the linen, the Seint linen highlight. I did oak eyeshadow along with Salem. So those are the Seint colors that I used. If you wanted an orange eyeshadow, you could use Leo if you wanted to. I just used one from like a cheap palette. I think it's a cute look. I'm glad I brought some down my neck. I might actually darken that up just a little bit more. I might go into the color, I think it's Trust. Yes, Trust. And just shade it out just a little bit more. Because I think it's important to bring it down the neck and just not have your face done without your neck. Okay guys, that is the look. That is my final Halloween look. All right, if you enjoyed this look, please give a like, please follow. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.